Alright, in this video here we're going to be taking another look at medians. And again, a median is a segment that goes from a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So in this case here, M is the midpoint of CA, which we're going to use to solve this problem. We've been asked to find X if AC equals 2x minus 11 and MC equals x minus 2 over 2. Well, we know that AC is equal to 2 times MC, because MC is just this small portion here, and AC is the whole side. Since M is the midpoint, MC is half as long as AC. So let's go in and substitute our expressions here. We've got AC is 2x minus 11, and we've got 2 times, and it's important you put this in parentheses, our expression here, x minus 2 over 2. So let's see. First thing we're going to do is we're going to note that if I have x minus 2, if I can just think of x minus 2 as kind of a single quantity, if I took that and I divide by 2 and then multiply by 2, it just gives me back the thing I started with. So whatever x minus 2 is, divided by 2 times 2, just gives us back what we started. So this all simplifies to just x minus 2. Now we're going to the other side. Alright, so we replaced our original equation with a substitute equation here. It's a little simpler. Now we want to write a new equation that only has terms of x on one side. So let's remove this x over here. We'll remove an x from the other side as well. And that's going to give us x minus 11 equals negative 2. Notice that this negative 2 here, this negative sign goes with the 2, so it remains a negative 2 down here. Then we want to isolate the x in our next equation, so we're going to put plus 11 over here. And that's going to leave us with x equals negative 2 plus 11 is 9. And we're done. Of course, if we wanted to go back and check our answer, we're not going to really worry about that right now, but if we did, we could go back and substitute. Let's see, 9 minus 2 is, 7, and 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Over here, 9 times 2 is 18, minus 11 is 7. So CA is 7, and CM, or MC, is half of that, at 3.5. So it worked. Alright, let's go next door here. Here we've got that PQ, that's the whole thing here, PQ is 5x plus 4, and that CQ is 3x. So again, we've got PQ equals 2 times CQ, because PQ is the long side. The entire side, CQ, is just half from the midpoint on. So let's see here. We'll substitute our expressions. We have 5x plus 4, and we have 2 times, don't forget to put this in parentheses, 3x. So let's see. 5x plus 4 equals, and we'll get rid of our parentheses now, 2 times 3x is 6x. Our next equation should only have variables, only terms of variables on one side, so let's get rid of this 5x over here. Of course, we have to do the same thing on both sides. And that leaves us with 4 equals 6x take away 5x, which is 1x, and as you write the 1, we just say x. So in this case, x equals 4. Let's do this check real quick. CQ was 3x, so that works out to 3 times 4, or 12. And over here, if x is 4, PQ is 5 times 4, that's 20, plus 4 is 24, so the entire side length is 24, and from the median to the end, or halfway, is just 12. So that worked. Alright, so remember, you may run into, I don't know, but you may run into some other situations. The other situation that we didn't look at here, but you could run into, is where they give you an expression for, say, one side of the side, like PC, and then they gave you CQ, the other part of it. In that case, you would write that the two expressions were equal to each other, and then you'd solve from there. So you could start out with like PC equals CQ. Then you substitute your expressions and solve from there. All right, good luck with these.